All right, what's up, y'all? It's your boy Keenan from Keenan Just Felt Like Cooking. And right now, I got some oil hot, and this is something that I thought about doing. All right, yeah, and it includes this Allegro Marinade, the Nashville hot. Yeah, this stuff is good. I tasted it, and it is real tasty. I want to thank my man Jeff from Over Outdoors with Jeff for hooking me up, and the people at Allegro. Appreciate that. And with that, I combined this seasoning. It's called Happy Belly. I actually got this is from Amazon Fresh. They got their own little thing, and this is the prime steak seasoning. And with these two things, you know what I put together? Keenan's Nashville hot turkey tenders. Let's get to it. So the night before, I went ahead and got that Allegro Nashville hot marinade, poured it in a Ziploc bag with the turkey tenders, massaged it up, and let them sit overnight. The next night, I lined them up on the cookie sheet, went ahead and grabbed that Belly Buster prime steak seasoning from Amazon. Sprinkled one side, then flipped them over, sprinkled the other side. Then I went ahead and got my Feb method. I got my flour, egg, and flour. Be sure that last station of flour, you put some seasoning in it. Then I went ahead and breaded them up. I only showed two because it got real messy. After that, I let them sweat for 20 minutes. Now we got this oil hot, like I said, and we're going to go ahead and get them dropping. So I'm dropping them in with my hand first, and then I'm going to use my tongs here to babysit them. And we frying in peanut oil because it's turkey. And you always fry turkey in peanut oil. Let me use my tongue on this one. Drop that off in there. And I'm going to drop this one off in there. And you know what? I think I'm going to do five. So I'm going to grab a smaller one and drop it right up in there. All right. We're going to be back in a minute. Yeah. Turkey tender with that Allegro marinated overnight with the Allegro marinade, this Nashville hot, and then seasoned with the Belly Buster from Amazon Fresh prime steak seasoning. All right, turkey tender.
Yes!
That Allegro marinade, boy, that is something special. I will say that. It's a nice. It gave the meat a nice, savory, spicy note to it. I mean, it's hot, but it ain't like blow your mind back. Um, Man, I need a sauce. So I whipped up, I just grabbed a stick of butter, 5 cloves of garlic, then I went ahead and grabbed this hot sauce that I picked up from Smart and Final, added a third a cup of dark brown sugar, a little bit of that Allegro marinade, whisked it up, brought it to a boil, went ahead and whisked it frequently, and then after it reduced, got busy. That was real quick, and it tastes very good. So I'm going to take one of these turkey tenders, and we're going to try it with a little bit of the sauce. Yeah, yeah. I'll throw these and this sauce up against anybody in the world. And our sausage shit was real easy. Butter, garlic, brown sugar, bottle of your favorite hot sauce, and then I added a tablespoon and a half of onion powder, and then let it reduce. I mean, that is full of flavor. Allegro marinade, Nashville hot, Amazon fresh, Belly Buster Prime Steak Seasoning. Did your boy justice. All right. Appreciate y'all checking me out. Hope you try this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video. Tell your friends about it. Tell your friends to tell their friends about it. All right. This is a very interesting recipe, and I don't know if anybody did it out there. I did not research it. I just did it. Hope y'all like it. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when your boy's putting out new content. Go ahead and check out my channel. Check out my older videos so you can see the progression of your boy. See how he have grown. And this got my mouth real moist right now. So y'all be cool, be safe, be smart. You know what time it is. Stuff like cooking.